Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to authorize FiveM on Discord. But before we get started, don't forget to check out our latest offer linked just below this video. Let's jump right in. The first step you need to take is to remove admin permissions from Discord. To do this, right-click on your Discord shortcut and select Properties. Once you're in the Properties menu, go to the Compatibility tab, and make sure to uncheck the Run this program as administrator option. After that, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Next, open up Discord. The first thing we need to do is check if FiveM is already authorized in your Discord. Head to your user settings and find the Authorized Apps section. When you launch FiveM on your PC, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to authorize it in Discord. If Discord is already open when you start FiveM, you should see this pop-up, confirming whether you've already given it access. If you don't see FiveM listed, that means it hasn't been authorized yet, so let's fix that. Minimize Discord, then open up FiveM. Once FiveM launches, it will automatically redirect you to Discord for the authorization process. You'll be asked for permission to allow FiveM to access your username, avatar, and some additional services. To grant access, simply click Authorize. Now head back to your user settings and open the Authorized Apps section again. You should now see FiveM listed there, confirming that it's authorized to use Discord. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully authorized FiveM on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments.